Hey YouTube, Bill here, aka Whiskey Lima, and first of all a quick apology. I know it's been a very long time since my last video, but I'm back with a cool new toy, and today I'll be unboxing the brand new Virtuoso RGB Wireless SE headset from Corsair. As you can see, the packaging for the headset is all black on the outside and it looks very slick. I much prefer this to the standard Corsair yellow boxes that some of its products have been featuring lately. Inside the box, the first thing you'll see is the headset itself. Now I should mention that this is a pre-production model and your packaging and contents may vary slightly from what I have here. My first impression of Virtuoso is that it looks absolutely amazing. The soft foam cushioning around the cups and the headband is made from memory foam, and I assume either a leather or a faux leather. The frame itself is made from premium lightweight aluminium and the construction feels really solid. The headset features all the standard stuff like an adjustable headband, and this particular headset will fit the largest and smallest of heads. But it also has removable ear cups, which makes cleaning and replacing the cups much easier than all the Corsair headsets that I've owned in the past. The next item in the box is a rather nice and very welcome addition in the soft carry case. This has magnetic clasps holding the bag closed and a small pocket inside to hold all the accessories that come in the box. Since unboxing this product, I've been using it for a few months and the bag is still as good as new despite being used on a daily basis. I didn't realise how useful it would be at first, but it does make storing the headset and its accessories much easier, and it keeps the Virtuoso safe from knocks and bumps while it's not in use. Finally, inside the box is another box. This one has the accessories that I mentioned earlier and it screams quality. From the laser cut foam insert in the box to the accessories themselves, this is a very impressive unboxing experience. The first thing you'll come across here is the manual and warranty information. Have a read of that before you start to familiarise yourself with your new toy. Closer look at the accessories, and we have the Slipstream Wireless dongle, which is plastic with a metal trim, giving it a very premium look and feel. There's also a braided 3.5mm audio cable included, again with the metal trim. A rather pleasant surprise is the USB Type-C charging cable to either charge the headset or use it wired mode. And finally a detachable microphone, which again oozes quality. It features a mute button on the bottom and is connected to the headset using USB Type Mini B. The mic quality has apparently been improved in this headset and is now advertised as broadcast quality on the box. But since I've been doing the entire voiceover with it, I'll let you decide. Overall, this is a very beautiful product and it has all the accessories I'll ever need. It's been my go-to headset for listening to music, watching late night TV and movies for the past few months, and the audio quality is absolutely superb. Because this is a Corsair product, of course it can be configured using Corsair's IQ software, so you'll have control over the colour and effects of the LEDs to match the rest of your system. There are some preset EQs available in IQ, but you can also create your own custom EQs. The mic volume, side tone and mic mute can also be controlled in software, as well as toggling between stereo and 7.1 surround sound. Thanks for watching guys. If you liked the video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this coming soon.